Are you interested in a career in artificial intelligence? AI is revolutionizing industries and creating a multitude of job opportunities. Let's explore the top 5 lucrative careers in artificial intelligence and the skills required to succeed in this dynamic field. Machine learning engineers are the architects behind intelligent systems. They require strong programming skills, knowledge of machine learning algorithms, and data analysis expertise. Data scientists are the data wranglers of the AI world. They need expertise in data analysis, statistics, programming languages, and excellent communication skills to interpret vast amounts of data. AI research scientists are the pioneers pushing the boundaries of AI technology. They require a PhD in a relevant field, strong analytical skills, and the ability to think creatively. Robotics engineers design, build, program, and maintain robots that can perform tasks autonomously. They need a bachelor's degree in engineering, knowledge of control systems, and expertise in robot programming languages. AI ethicists ensure the responsible development and deployment of AI systems. They need a background in philosophy, ethics, or law, a strong understanding of AI technology, and excellent critical thinking and communication skills. The future of AI jobs is incredibly bright. Visit www.zeroinvestmentguidance.com for more details.